Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome President and CEO, Volkswagen Group of America, Scott Keogh.
Thank you very much. Awesome. We are here. This factory is here. Our entire company is here. It is due to the people who make the magic happen and make these cars. So to everyone here in this plant, a big heartfelt welcome from my side. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. As excited as we are about our growth, as excited as we are about everything we've done, frankly, it does happen with a partnership. And we have a very profound and powerful partnership with the state of Tennessee.
The folks that work here, the hardworking men and women who really have made today possible. You also make it possible for a whole lot of other Tennesseans to benefit from your work, because there's a reason that great companies like Volkswagen choose to come to Tennessee. It's because we have great people here to fill the jobs.
In every way, the Volkswagen team, the workers, the management, our state partners, our local partners, our friends in the federal government, and yes, we all work together to make sure that the Passat was a success. But guess what? Every time Volkswagen had an opportunity to look at Chattanooga, Volkswagen, Chattanooga, and the workers all came through.
As you know, this is a huge segment. It's why the Atlas is so successful. 2.2 million vehicles are sold in this mid-size segment of SUVs. And if you look at it, frankly, it breaks down into two, in our opinion, distinct segments. You have the 7-seaters that you see there. You can see the Explorer and the Highlander. And of course, you have the 5-seaters in this segment. The 5-seaters comprise 45% of the market. And as a businessman, there's no way I want to miss 45% of the market. So ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at it. Introducing the all-new Atlas Cross Sport. You know, I think I've seen the car 50 or 60 times, and for some reason it just looks better each and every time. So absolutely, absolutely stunning. And look, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Atlas Cross Sport, and maybe more importantly than the vehicle, these are the men, women, ladies, and gentlemen who make this great car happen. So thank you very, very much for making it happen. I think it's exactly what America's looking for. It's big, it's bold, excuse the language, it's a little bit badass, and it's an American SUV, and that's exactly what the market wants. Obviously, these vehicles do not build themselves, as I've been saying. We are surrounded by the employees who really bring their passion and bring their precision to bring this vehicle to life. We are extremely proud to bring 1,000 additional jobs in the building of the electric vehicle and, of course, in the building of this Atlas Cross Sport. What we are doing today, and right now in this plant, we have nearly 100 veterans who are working in this factory. And frankly, I could not think of another group of people who embody this higher purpose we are aiming for as a brand. This tall, skinny guy who looks a little bit lost in this picture is my father, a kid from Brooklyn who went into the military, and frankly, when he came out, America had opportunities for him, but it's a country that had an opportunity for him when he returned. And that's exactly what we in America need to continue to do, that we have these opportunities when our veterans return from service. In order to bring this to life, we are announcing today a partnership with Hiring Our Heroes, and to me, it's quite straightforward. We want to and we will recruit veterans for all of our facilities across the United States, whether it's a factory, whether it's a dealership, whether it's a port, whether it's at our headquarters. So this is the magic, and this is what we want to do. We told you about a great car. It's here. We told you about a great brand, and of course, we've told you the great things we want to continue to do here in Chattanooga. And Governor Lee, if you please come up and join me, and Congressman, let's take a couple of photos and celebrate this great car. Thank you very much, everybody. Thanks
Great
again.
job.
Thank you. I'm trying.